HOMER is known for being the end of the road. The 5 miles out into the ocean on the HOMER Spit is the farthest west connective road goes in North America. After driving all the way to Alaska from Florida, we were beyond excited to arrive. HOMER is a unique Alaskan town and has been called the cosmic hamlet by the sea and a sort of Key West in a parka. It's also the halibut fishing capital of the world, where the limit is 2 fish. But halibut in these waters can weigh up to 400 pounds. We left in the early morning on a charter boat to head out far from shore, out to the deep shelves where the halibut like to hang. It wasn't long, however, before we realized just what the day was going to be like. Our captain rolled his eyes and let us know we were lucky he was out with us on opening day of moose hunting season. Maybe luck, along with $325 a person? Okay. The day began with 6 of us watching a very hands-off training on how to fish for halibut.
If not, you're gonna put your hand, your thumb on the spool. This gold lever is gonna go down. You're gonna let it out pretty fast and you'll feel it hit bottom. Bang, this bottom. Click it up. You're gonna move it just a little bit forward of that mark. Just a little bit forward. And you're gonna reel up a little slack so you keep so it stays bouncing against it.
Okay.
And that's it. That was bottom.
And off we went. Wrong, I guess.
You got it real faster, okay?
All right.
You got it real faster.
Okay.
It's going through your head right now.
Just making sure I follow all the instructions correctly.
Reel, Allison, reel.
And then we had one? Maybe?
Oh, I that's. Do I? Wait, I don't know. No, what's on here? No, what is this? My weight, somebody else's weight.
Oh, that's what I was saying. It didn't feel like I had it.
Oh, did you guys have one? And it
We had each other, I think.
Just cut it. All right.
Do you want to talk about the snag situation today?
Okay, so don't go on starboard when the drift is to the left, because all your stuff gets is tangled up with everybody else's, and you're just practicing with reeling.
After 5 to 12 times catching each other's lines and dismantling tangles, the captain decided we should try our luck elsewhere. On the next thing.
There's going to be subtitles on this whole thing because you can't hear anything we're saying.
We arrived to find the largest waves we've ever been out in.
Fine, all right, go.
Okay, here we are, gang. How tough are you?
How tough are you?
How tough are you?
Is it worth losing the camera over?
Yes.
Yeah. We've already lost one camera fishing. What's another? Oh my god, look at those waves too.
Oh, you're gonna be kidding me.
We're rolling.
Go low when you're in a rocking boat. Oh my god.
You go, girl.
Wait, wide leg position.
Is this the turducken?
This is a turducken. This is a nice herring coming out the mouth of the salmon with a very nice circle hook in place, hoping for a fish to go like this on it.
Oh, there he is. It is one. And it's in my line.
Oh boy.
Oh, we got 2 lines.
Okay, which
What should I do? Just leave it?
Get the gal. You guys want to get that one in the boat? You want to get that one in the boat? You want to keep that fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Oh, good job.
Oh.
Oh my.
It wasn't exactly the woo, take a picture with your fish crowd. Off it went into the bin. But Debbie and I decided it called for a bit more celebrating.
Pretty big fish,
30
Tim.
and 35.
Scale.
So, like, what is that estimated weight? I have no
Between 30.
Well, this from here to here is a fillet. From here to here is a fillet. You flip it over, you get 2 more fillets about that size.
Wow.
So that's a best size fish right there.
Well, I mean, Tim, that's the biggest fish you've ever caught, right?
Ah.
Tim's new confidence after catching the only fish had him hard talking the rest of the boat.
I think I lost him.
No, that's just how small he is. Keep going.
No, I think I lost him because...
Do you think he's 2 or 3 pounds?
I don't think he even has a tail. I think it might just be the head.
That is the quintessential under.
Tim and I might.
I'm bringing it up. What emotions are you feeling?
This disappointment. Total disappointment. The only reason I caught that fish was my bait grabbed him.
Oh!
Oh. Got it? Nope, he broke off.
Oops.
That's $11.
Now how do you feel? Oh!
Okay, so it was a bit of a slow start to the day on the last day of the halibut fishing season. But by the end of it, Bob had another fish up in the boat, and even Tim caught a second one. We had the captain warmed up, we continued to enjoy the beautiful coastline on the sunniest day we had in Alaska, and looked forward to the 40 pounds of fish we were about to bring home. Nice job, Bob.
Nice job.
I'll tell you what, that's hard holding that rod doing that.
Nope, there is no way. I can reel.
Yeah, without falling in.
On our way back to shore, we even got a quick hello from a passing by friend.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, cool!
We are busy. No time to rest. Coming straight back from halibut fishing, we need to, oh, where is it?
What?
Whoa, Tim.
As I sit out here fanning the barbecue, Filipino style. I think they turned out great. Let's eat.
That smells so good. We're cooking it so fast, and then we need to go eat it and enjoy it, and then all of our stuff is in the wash to dry because then we are going on the bear tour tomorrow. We were originally scheduled to go halibut fishing yesterday, but it got pushed to today because the seas were... That's fine. That's why we scheduled several days here in case anything needed to get moved around. But that means that now we only have a few hours between halibut fishing today, enjoying our dinner of halibut, and then bear viewing tomorrow. It's a whirlwind. Happy holidays from the both of us. Have a wonderful and safe week. Next Sunday, we wrap up season 4 in Alaska in the most appropriate way possible. Then the fun continues in January with more RV content, new travel plans, and some fun announcements.